Question. Good morning sir, paano kung elementary teacher po? Anong mga subject i-handle po? Salamat. If you want to apply as an elementary teacher dito sa Thailand and natanggap ka, most likely you will be teaching English. It's either conversation, reading and writing, or both. Now, there are also some circumstances when the elementary teacher has to teach health, math, science, PE, and other things. In my case, I'm an elementary teacher, but I teach arts only. I don't teach any other subjects. It also depends on your school. Sometimes you will be asked to teach multiple subjects. Sometimes you will be entrusted to teach one subject only. Sometimes you will be entrusted to teach in many different classes. Sometimes you will be entrusted only one or two or maybe just 3 classes only. There are also some cases when you need to teach elementary up to high school, but if you are applying for an elementary teaching position, then make sure that it is stated in your contract para walang miscommunication na mangyari in the future at walang trouble na makukos dahil dito.